8 floor plans to choose from with the Ventana. Also, new option for 2025 is the collision mitigation system. That's a game changer for me. Anything that keeps me safer longer as I'm traveling in my beautiful coach is a win-win. Then we've got tons of storage, beautiful exteriors. This is the ebony exterior. We have 2 other options, or of course you can always go with a custom color. Check out all the storage that you get on this 4369 floor plan. So nice big space here. Then we've got our pass-through tray. You can also see how much space you get in that pass-through compartment when you don't have the tray. That does take away a little bit of your height space. Then we've got the one-sided pull-out tray here for this nice big compartment. Our pegboard. Again, this is the 43-foot Ventana, so you have a 400 horsepower engine. This one is on the Spartan chassis, so you can choose between Freightliner custom chassis or Spartan chassis. Chassis batteries here at the back. Of course, we optioned in the exterior TV. This is great. Put your nice big awnings out, and then you can watch the game. Another thing that I wanted to point out here is we've got our 360 camera. So when you're actually driving this coach, you're going to be able to see all the way around it, kind of a bird's eye view, which is really helpful when driving. Let's go check out the inside. Welcome to the tried and true floor plan 4369. We love that. It's one of our favorite floor plans in both the Ventana and the Dutch Star. So you can see why all this big wide open space. So this year, a few things that are new on the Ventana. All electric, first of all. All electric. That's standard. Then we have our beautiful porcelain tile floor. We have new cabinets and new cabinet colors. So this is the sable maple cabinetry. Love that. You can also option in the two-toned effect with there's the Sedona cabinet, the maple cabinet, and then you can two-tone those with the Summit white cabinet. So I'm sure we'll get to see that as we go through the Ventanas. Optioned in the theater seating here, nice and comfy. I'm going to sit in it because I want to show you how much, if you and your honey want to really get close, you can do that. Or if you've got those furry friends that want to cuddle up with you, plenty of room for that here. Storage, and it's really deep. It goes all the way to the bottom, and then we've got this little tray that goes back and forth. So you can put blankets in there. This is the Palisades interior package. You have 2 other ones that you can choose from. We have our sleeper sofa that we optioned in across from the theater seating. And then you'll notice all the storage above. Beautiful ceiling treatment. They've changed the valances. Nice little chrome inset here, and sort of a velour, velvety kind of valance. Again, if that's not quite your taste, give us a call at National Indoor RV Centers because we can custom put in there whatever you want. If you want to add an ultra leather there, or maybe a tweed fabric, we'll find it for you. We'll make it look great. You're going to love it, but you've got to give us that call first. Then as we walk into the kitchen, look at all that space here. We have the nice window with the TV on the left over in the living room, and then a nice big window in the kitchen, solid surface countertops, and then we have our push button release. So we've got even more counter space here with full extension drawers. Check out all that storage. Optional dishwasher here. Some people love them, some people hate them, but if you don't want to be the dishwasher, then you can option that in. Again, that all electric cooktop is great. So we have our cutting board on the back side of our covers and induction cooktop. So any pan that a magnet will attach to the bottom, you can use on your cooktop. Lots of counter space, beautiful residential faucets, and check out that nice big sink that we get for 2025. No divider, so you can fit everything in there. And then storage above with the pull-out shelf. Adjustable shelf above that. Storage. Great little spice cabinet here. Another adjustable shelf, so lots of storage in this floor plan. So we've got our booth dinette. Again, we can option in other dinettes. You can do the table and chairs. We have storage underneath here, under both booths. And then, like I said, you can option in different dinette settings here. Nice storage all the way across the top. And I forgot to mention, because in the Ventana, we can still get this great bunk bed. So another sleeping area that you don't really have to make up every day. You just raise it up, disappears. Also is great as a safe because it is a lock and key. So you have to use a key to get that to go down. And then if you want to store safe things in there, just keep it up, keep the key with you. You've got your own little safe. As we go into the kitchen here, nice refrigerator with the French doors and freezer with the lock. Again, make sure you check out my RVing 101 series where I give you my checklist for what I do outside the coach and inside the coach before I leave for any trip. Now this is a game changer, our locking shelves. So you just push in and look at that. They come all the way out, so you're going to be able to see to the very back of your cabinet and get all those goods that you forgot about that expire. And then again, the KIB panels are gone for 2025. We have the new LCD light up screen, our tank levels, auto gin start, floor heat. You can get floor heat in the Ventana, an optional feature. HVAC, we can pair our phones so we can have access. We can remotely control things within the coach wherever we are if we pair our phones. And then we've got our light switch here. So love that because we have the all lights on for each section and then for the whole entire coach. So one of my favorite features, half bath here, lots of storage above. Storage behind that nice little medicine cabinet behind our mirrors. I like the vessel sinks. Some people don't love them, but in a half bath, they're really smart because they give you that extra counter space. And then you can see behind the mirrors, all that space. And just notice the details, the backsplash, the solid surface. Now this is the suede cabinetry, so it has a nice soft finish. So in the Ventana on up, you can go for either the suede finish or the high gloss. Again, our fuses and breaker box. More storage below. And again, we've got the new pivot door. So that's really nice. So that when we bring our slides in, that's not going to cause us to hit this, you know, when we open the door, when our slides are in and we need to use the restroom. You know, when we stop for those little rest stops that we need. And then we've got our pocket doors going into the master bedroom. King size bed. Check out the headboard, storage above, nightstand on each side, 110 outlets, USB ports on each side, storage below, and we've got our extra chairs for the dinette and our leaves to extend those. So lots of space there. Nice big TV, and then wardrobe on both sides. 6 drawers below. We've got our ladder. This is for our bunk. And more storage here with the wardrobe bar. So we have a small little step up as I come into the master bathroom. Optional washer and dryer. And those are the Splendid. That's important because everyone really seems to like those. And then our huge, huge shower. So check out this, like bigger than my shower in my home. We've got the flip down seat. So if you need that extra space, you can just flip that right back up. The AquaView shower miser. Watch for my full length video where I explain all of this. I love that we have the fixed faucet and then the handheld. Skylight here gives us a little extra headroom there in the shower. We've got our toilet, emergency egress door, adjustable shelves, more storage, optional safe, again adjustable shelves, our wardrobe bar, and the new wiring panel. Look at that, it's so nice and neat. And this used to be, the way that Newmar did it before was 200 parts were necessary for all of this. Now it's just 1 part. So that makes servicing much easier for our technicians. It's gonna make your life easier. I love the new features. One of the new things that they've done big for 2025. Then we have this beautiful vanity area. Love the dual sinks, marriage saver as I like to call them. So everyone has their own space. Look at all that storage below. Nice big drawers, 3 of those down the center. And then of course we got all that storage behind our mirrors. I love it. I love the backsplash. I love the new wood. You can see the display panels throughout the coach, so you can control your lights, HVAC again, your floor heat, your tanks, just like the big panel in the center, but now we've got one here in the bathroom. We've got one when you look underneath the cabinet, your overhead cabinets in the bedroom, so you can control all those features while you're laying in bed, just making life easier and more beautiful here in our Ventana this year.